In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Ghibli art in Grok 2025. If you're a fan of Studio Ghibli's enchanting art style and have been yearning to create something similar, you've clicked on the right video. We're taking you step by step through this exciting process using Grok 2025, a wonderful tool that can help you bring your creative visions to life. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, it's time to type Grok into the search bar. Grok is the platform where we'll be creating our Ghibli-style masterpiece today. After typing Grok, hit Enter or click the search button. This action will lead you to a list of search results, showcasing various links related to Grok. Next, look for the link that takes you directly to the Grok website and give it a click. This link will take you to the homepage, where you'll find all the features and tools Grok has to offer. Once you're in Grok, you'll want to keep an eye out for a clip icon. This icon usually represents the option to upload a file. It's time to click on this clip icon, as you'll need to upload a file that you'll be using or that will serve as a base for your Ghibli art. Now that you've uploaded your desired file, let's move on to making a prompt. A prompt is essentially a set of instructions or a description of what you want to achieve in terms of art style, theme, or any specific elements you want in your creation. Be as detailed as possible in your prompt. It helps guide Grok's capability to deliver the imagery close to what you envision. This step is crucial, as it sets the foundation for your final masterpiece. After you've crafted your prompt to your liking, the next thing you need to do is click the Submit button. This action will send your prompt into the Grok's processing engine. The platform will then work its magic, fusing your ideas with its creative potential to generate a piece of art inspired by the timeless beauty of Studio Ghibli. Finally, once Grok has had a moment to process your request, your Ghibli-style image is ready for viewing. Take a moment to admire your creation. If you feel the need to tweak or adjust certain elements, remember that refining art is a journey, and Grok is there to support that process. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating Ghibli art in Grok 2025. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video inspires you to experiment and continue creating beautiful, inspired artwork. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and happy creating!